get started, I've created this Beaver Builder membership. Next, I've created a rule, in this case a partial content rule that gives access to that Beaver Builder membership. Now going into my content, I'm going to use Beaver Builder to create a simple column with text in it. Going into the settings for this module, I'll enter some simple text that I only want my Beaver Builder members to be able to see. So if they have an active membership, they can see it, and if not, they can't see it. Saving that, I'm going to go into the settings for this content again, and this time MemberPress, and then select that rule and leave it as default. Leaving it as default will mean that when users try to access this content, if they don't have access, they'll see my default unauthorized message, which in this case also included my login page. Other settings also include to simply just hide the content. So using this section and selecting hide and then save and publishing the content, when I view the page as an unauthorized user, I see nothing. This is useful if you only want to hide some parts of the page but not let users know that you're hiding it. Another setting that you have available to you is to set a display message where you can enter a custom unauthorized message that users will see if they don't have an active subscription to the membership needed to access this content based on your rule setup in MemberPress. So clicking save and publishing the content again, when I view the page this time, I'll be shown that custom unauthorized message as you can see here. Now, let me subscribe quickly for this Beaver Builder membership so that you can see what it looks like when I do have a membership. So I'm going to simply enter some information here and sign up, submit my payment details, and after going to the thank you page to say that that's been successful, let me visit that page. You'll see I have access to it.